Here is one square and here is another square. Combine them. What do you get? A triangle. Now combine two triangles. What do you get? Shit. Just kidding. Don't leave yet. Please. Please. So combine two triangles and you get a circle. Yeah, a circle. So yeah, this is basically my mobile game concept. But instead of shapes, it's guns. You combine and combine and combine until you reach the highest level gun. This type of games are called merge games. Now, here's the problem. Every single day, hundreds of mobile games launch. Most of them never get noticed. So the real question is this game special or is it just another drop in an endless ocean? Or in simple terms, can this game succeed? Or am I just another developer shouting into the void? So what's actually fun in my merge game? If you look at most merge games, the core gameplay is just merging. That's it. But in my game, when a gun is idling, when it's collecting points, it keeps firing. So even when you are technically doing nothing, there's still stuff happening on screen. That's some passive gameplay, but with. So, what is the gameplay actually like? You merge guns to create higher level guns. Higher guns equals to higher points. No story flub, no fake complexity, just progression. Now as you can see, these are slots. You can place items in them, move them around, put them wherever you want. At proper place. Exactly. So your slots, your rules. And like I explained at the start, combine two squares, you get triangle. And combine two triangles, you get a circle. No this time, I promise. Now, here's where my merge game is different. This is not a fully idle game. In normal merge games, when you close the game, it keeps collecting points in the background. But in my game, once you close the app, no points are retained, everything resets. This rewards players who actually stay and play. Most idle games reward you for not playing. My game rewards you for staying in. What did you thought? You can get by doing nothing? Heh. Right now, everything you are seeing is just demo visuals. That's why instead of guns, you are seeing shapes. I promise it will get better, okay? I promise. The single most important metric to climb the leaderboard is prestige. The more you play, the more it grows. Here's how it works. You merge lower level items to get higher level items. Then you place those items in idle slots. They start generating aura. Yes. Now the number look weird. That's because normal data types just can't handle big numbers properly. So I made my own number type. Yeah.
I know I am smart.
Just stay with me, it will make sense. Once everything is shown properly in the UI. The aura generated depends on the aura per second rate. Aura per second depends on prestige. So basically, the longer you play, the higher the prestige. The higher the prestige, the higher the aura rate. And the higher the aura rate, the more the aura. Which means the longer you play, the more points you get. That's it. Now, this is a merge game about guns, so obviously they need to fire. And yeah, I made that. When you place guns in idle slots, they continuously fire projectiles and generate very realistic and very balanced, right? At this point, you're probably thinking, this is nice, but where are the guns? Do you think I am a fool? Do these shapes look like guns to you? Yep. I will kill you, mate. Wait, just kidding, man. Just kidding. Relax. So yeah, now I need to make gun skins and replace this perfectly pristine geometrical shapes with my absolutely trash drawings. I started by collecting different kinds of guns, making a list, arranging them level-wise. Then I collected reference images so I could draw over them, add my creativity and legally call them mine. You know what I know. Then I started drawing with full dedication, didn't even move an inch, didn't even drink water, and didn't even eat. for 1 hour. And then I give up and release this tableau. Turns out I really suck at drawing, and since I am new to it, I'm struggling to keep up. So yeah, expect actual Gannard in the next vlog, hopefully. So that's it for this video. Now I need to go and give some rest to my sleep deprived body before I obviously turn into a zombie. Bye.